Hello and good day everyone. In this video, I will discuss about how relevant language teaching theories shape my future teaching practice. But first, I will relate my teaching experience to Stephen Krashen's input hypothesis and Lev Vygotsky zone proximal development ZPD. Because based from my thought, I realized that theories are not only concept learned in class but also practical guide that help teachers design a meaningful experience. And as you can see from the clip, this is where I conducted a writing lesson focusing on informative writing. The lesson began with an introduction to the topic where I explain the characteristic and the purpose of an informative letter. I even introduced the format, the language style, and the situation where the informal letter are commonly used. At this stage, I realized that students need a clear and understandable explanation before they could begin writing confidently. This part of my teaching can be related with Krashen's input hypothesis, which suggests that learners acquire language effectively when they are able to expose to understandable inputs like the above from their current proficiency level. In my lesson, I even attempt to provide learners with an comprehensible input by explaining the structure of an informal letter in a simple and manageable way. I even focus on helping them to understand the purpose of an organization of the writing task. And then I show the student the example of informal letter. By providing a model text, students were able to observe the format and language features and sentence organization before attempting the task themselves. This example acts as language input and that guides learners toward understanding about how an informal letter should be written. Reflective on this experience, I learned that learners benefit greatly from seeing examples before being asked to produce their own writing. Another important moment is in this lesson when I explained the task clearly before the activity began. During the production stage, students were asked to complete a group writing activity where they need to create an informal letter together. I intentionally designed the task for the learners so it will be achievable and less intimidating instead of expecting good students to achieve something. According to the Vygotsky, students learn best when they are supposed to complete tasks that they may not be able to do independently but can accomplish with guidance and collaboration. During my teaching, I even provide some guidelines to support my students through the writing activity. Although I did not provide a complete sample answer, the guidelines act as a scaffolding that help learners organize their ideas, structures, and their writing. This micro-teaching session also shape about how I want to approach the teaching in the future. I will continue using these model text and examples to provide my learners with clear and understanding language input. I believe students perform better when they understand and about the text they are about to do. And in my conclusion, my micro-teaching experience helped me understand about how language theories can be applied meaningfully in real teaching experience. And I think that's all from me. Thank you, and I see you in next.